Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new to this channel, kindly smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. If you have been looking out to see if paper is available in Nigeria, I'm gonna guide you through the whole process and what people will not tell you in this video. I'm going to share with you the whole details, and if you're trying to look out if you can be able to use paper in Nigeria today, and I will tell you what you will get if you are running a Nigerian paper account in Nigeria itself. So you will also notice that a lot of people are using other countries like UAE paper account, South African paper account, US paper account, or UK paper account, and there is a reason for them not to use a Nigerian paper account due to the fact that paper is not fully acceptable in Nigeria, but due to the fact that people really need this paper account, that is more reason why they prefer to use another country paper account by verifying the paper account in different countries' phone number, and they'll be able to use their account here in Nigeria. And how do they do that? And what will you get if eventually you create Nigerian paper account? If you create a Nigerian paper account or personal or business paper account, or I'll also recommend, because that is the first paper account which I created as a Nigerian, which is personal paper account. And after creating that paper account, I only have access to only receive the payment, but I cannot send out the payment using my personal paper account. And if I run a business paper account, they will ask me different varieties of questions, and at the end of the day, the paper account will be limited as a business paper because paper is not acceptable here in Nigeria. And if you run a Nigerian paper account, you'll be able to receive money on that paper account, but you cannot send out the fund or the money inside the paper account, else you use it to purchase a goods and services on e-commerce platform or any other platform that actually supported paper payment. So how would you get started and be among the people who can actually use paper in Nigeria today? But of course, you have to verify the account with another country information. You can create South African paper, like I said earlier on. You can create UAE paper, you can create USA paper account, you can create UK paper account, and you'll be able to run it successfully, to operate the paper, send out the fund, and receive the fund as well here in Nigeria. But there are some things that might later trigger on the long run, probably limiting your account, and they will ask you to provide more details about yourself before you can be able to continue using that paper account. So how would you do that? When they ask you for a limit for information, when they limit your account, you can provide them with your national ID card or international passport or voter's card when they eventually ask you. But if they did not, then using paper account with other different country information will be the best thing you will ever do. And when you're trying to run a paper account in Nigeria, I suggest you run a personal paper account and not a business paper account. If you run a business paper account, why you don't have a business, so you see that you won't be able to verify that kind of paper account, and then there will be a permanent limited, to be precise, to that paper account. So instead, to avoid that kind of issues, just run a personal paper account and make sure you are not receiving a huge amount of money inside that paper. With that, you'll be able to keep your paper account safe in Nigeria, and there won't be any issue whatsoever within the paper account. So how would you get started, and where can you actually get phone number or contact phone number to verify that account? It's quite easy to verify a paper account with some other countries' information, as it's most of the thing that is actually easy for you to find online. And regarding the phone number, if you have anyone abroad in South Africa, UAE, UK, US, you can actually use their phone number to verify your paper account. It doesn't even matter if they are already using that phone number for their own paper before. You can still use the phone number to create another paper account within the same country. But you have to make sure the information which you are going to provide in that paper account is totally different from what the person that you requested for his phone number is using. So with that you'll be able to run PayPal account successfully in Nigeria without any issue. So when you want to get started, you can just click on sign up here or click on sign up for free. Either of the two is actually working perfectly. And one thing that is also very, very important to note is that when you are creating the account, you see the PayPal account, paypal.com/ng/home. You see that means you are creating a Nigerian PayPal account. And if of course you don't want to create a Nigerian PayPal account, what you need to do is to change the NG here. If you are creating South African PayPal account, you either put paypal.com then ZA. This ZA means you are creating South African PayPal account. So it's already put the account. As you can see, the link has already changed from paypal.com/ZA/web apps/mpp/o. You see the address have already changed, and this means I'm creating a South African PayPal account. Same things go to other countries, and the another method you can actually use to change the country is scroll down here, then you see South African logo or any country logo which you are using. Let's say for example, I have Nigerian, which is the first URL which I have. Let me change this. ZA should be NG. Let me change that. So we have NG again in our URL address. You scroll down, you see Nigerian logo. See here. So just click on that logo, then scroll down and select any countries you have the phone number to verify that PayPal account, and you'll be able to get started with that. So let me look for another country, then I'll be able to choose that, then proceed. Let me choose I'm looking for UAE. Is UAE part of African country? I'm not really that sure. Let me check which country does UAE belong to, which is United Arab country. I don't know where UAE belongs to, but I'm trying to. Okay, it's Asia country. So UAE, which is United Arab Emirates. So I'll click on it. Then you see the code is paypal.com/AE/home. So that means I'm creating UAE PayPal account. It's quite easy as this. Then the next thing for you to do is to click on sign up for free. Once you click on sign up, you see. Then they will ask you what type of country, what type of PayPal account you want to create, that personal or business. Like I said earlier on, you should always create personal PayPal account for the future purpose when you are trying to verify the account. And if you have an existing business, you feel like you are bold enough and you have enough information about the business, then choosing the business account will be the best for you. If you are trying to if you are measure your business and you feel like you'll be receiving a huge fund with your PayPal account, so I'll prefer you go for business account. And if you are just a freelancer to be precise, and you see that you'll be receiving small amount of money, so choosing personal account will be the best option you will ever take, so that you won't have any issue in the long run. So after choosing personal PayPal account, then you click on continue. On this page, it will ask you for your region and how you would like to get started with it. So where do you live? The next thing for you to do, since you'll be verifying the account with Nigerian information in the long run, so just choose Nigerian as your region, and don't forget the UAE is still active. It doesn't actually matter since you have already bought the country to that. So just click on get started, and after that it will ask you to verify your challenges so that you are not a robot, which a robot is trying to verify your account. So click on this traffic light, then click on verify. So it's quite easy as this. Then they will ask you for your phone number. So you input your phone number, then proceed on to the next, where they will ask you more information about you, your full name, your address, and your postal code, which are things that are very, very important. And sometimes if you put in a Nigerian information, it might not also work. So the next thing for you to do is in here is choosing a business a UAE country. When you are trying to select a country, you should choose UAE country, because that is where the phone number you are trying to verify the account with. And once you do that, you'll make sure everything you input on that account is basically UAE, to avoid any information or future verification that will trigger the Fiverr the PayPal to block your account or to ask you for much information, which of course you don't have. And sometimes they may also have some NEPA bills, which of course you don't have. So to avoid all these sort of issues, you have to make sure you are creating a legit paper with all the information available, so that you won't have any issue here in Nigeria when you're trying to create a paper in Nigeria. So this is all I have for you, and I hope this explained everything you would like to know regarding PayPal accounts in Nigeria today. So let me know through the comment section if you have any question, and I'm very much happy to reply to your request as fast as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as it will remain a lot to me, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Peace.